Now that you know the basics of the BSc degree, let's examine your psychology or psych degree program. In order to graduate in your BSc psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 90 credits, with an overall cumulative grade point average of 4.0, or a C. You are required to take Psych 1010. Please note that you must obtain a 4.0 or a C in this course. Here's the visual representation of your degree. We will review this chart again at the end of the presentation. Please note, as a transfer student, you may have been granted credits from your previous studies. In a later presentation, we will explain how to determine and apply your transfer credits. The main components of a BSc degree include general education and basic science requirements, science requirements outside of the major, major requirements, in your case psychology courses, and upper level requirements. Let's examine each of these components more carefully.
The general education requirements for your degree are as follows. A minimum of 18 credits, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the humanities area, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the social science area, and 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the humanities or social science area. To confirm if a course is eligible for general education, please visit the current student's webpage. Click on Search for Courses. Click on Search Courses by General Education. On this page, select your faculty, the Faculty of Health, then select your degree type and click on Search Courses. This list will show you all eligible general education courses being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your social science requirement.
For the basic science requirements, students are required to choose a minimum of 15 credits from the following: 6 credits in mathematics, selected from the following; 3 credits in computer science, selected from the following courses. Please note that CSE 1570 is recommended for psych majors. Because it requires Math 1505 to be completed first, students typically take this course in their second year. Finally, you will need to take 6 credits of introductory science courses selected from the following list. You must also take an additional minimum of 9 credits in science disciplines outside your major, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or above. These courses can be taken from the following: all courses offered through the Faculty of Science, and all kinesiology and health science courses, excluding the courses listed below. Okay, so now that we've reviewed the general education, basic science, and outside major science elective requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to take in the program to which you've been admitted, in your case, psychology. For a BSc, you will need at least 30, but no more than 42 credits in psychology. As part of the 30 to 42 credits you require for your major, you must complete the following courses: Psych 1010, Introduction to Psychology, and achieve a minimum grade of C. You will also need to take Psych 2021, Statistical Methods 1, and Psych 2030, Introduction to Research Methods. To assure that you acquire some breadth within psychology, you must take at least one 3-credit course from each of the 2 series of courses, which represent core areas of psychology. At least 3 credits from the social and clinical areas listed below, and at least 3 credits from the biological and cognitive areas, again listed below. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper-level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their final year of studies. As a Psych BSc student, you are required to take 18 upper-level credits at the 3000 or 4000 level, including 12 credits in the major, or in your case, psychology. The last piece of information you need to know about your BSc degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 90 credits and maintain an overall grade point average of 4, or a C. Now, Let's take a look at what your 90-credit psych degree looks like. You will need 33 general education and basic science credits, 9 science credits taken outside of the major, at least 30 psychology major credits, and 18 additional credits or electives. Don't forget, of the 90 total credits needed to graduate, 18 must be upper level credits.